Hmm? The next third one is reproduction. Third one is reproduction. Generally, in kingdom Monera, the main reproduction is asexual type. Asexual type of reproduction occurs in kingdom Monera. But they also show sexual mode of reproduction. But true sexual reproduction is absent. Here, parasexualism present. Parasexualism present in kingdom Monera. And now we will discuss about asexual reproduction. In kingdom Monera, the main important type of reproduction is asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction, it is the common method of reproduction in the favorable conditions, availability of nutrients, temperature, moisture, pH. And during favorable conditions, the bacteria, the members of kingdom Monera, they are undergo asexual reproduction. The members of kingdom Monera also produce number of asexual spores, like they produce sporangiospores, oidia, conidia, and endospores. So these are the some of the important asexual spores produced by members of kingdom Monera. However, the important asexual type of reproduction is binary fission. So in previous classes, I think all of you know about binary fission. So binary fission is the main asexual type of reproduction in case of bacteria. So in this type, generally it is the most common method. Binary fission is the most common asexual type of reproduction in kingdom Monera during the favorable conditions. Favorable condition means availability of nutrients, temperature, and pH. And bacteria, so some of the bacterial cells, they undergo division to produce cells, and they also large number of cells, they repeatedly undergo binary fission to produce large number of cells. But fortunately, it does not achieve throughout the year or throughout the lifespan. Throughout the lifespan of the bacteria, it is slowed down. It slowed down due to shortage of space, lack of nutrients, formation of or development of pathogens. If the binary fission in bacteria, if binary fission continuously occurs, then the whole biosphere is filled with only bacteria. But initially the rate of binary fission occurs rapidly. After sometimes due to shortage of space or due to lack of nutrients, due to formation of pathogens, the process of binary fission in bacteria slows down. That's why here always nature checks its every species at after certain stages. Here also all these unfavorable condition, binary fission in bacteria also sometimes it go slow down. And in bacteria binary fission occurs in 3 steps. What is binary fission? The common asexual type of reproduction. The common asexual reproduction is called in bacteria is called binary fission. Binary fission, bind to fission. Fission means splitting. So in binary fission, a mature bacterial cell divided into 2 equal daughter cells. If you observe, this is the one parental bacterial cell, it divided to form 2 similar bacterial cells, and this process is known as binary fission. This is one kind of cell division. In this binary fission, in bacteria binary fission, the type of cell division is mitotic cell division. Usually cell division is 2 types, mitotic cell division and meiotic cell division. But here, so another kind of cell division occurs, that is amitotic. Amitotic means spindle formation is absent. So we will discuss about amitotic cell division in cell cycle and cell division chapter. Mitotic cell division means primitive cell division. So in binary fission of bacteria, the cell division is mitotic cell division. And this binary fission occurs in 3 steps. Replication of DNA. Initially the DNA is replicated to form circular shape. Then this replication of DNA is also called Kane's theta model. It is called Keynes determinant. After replication of DNA, then mesosomes are divided. Mesosomes are divided, and finally cross wall is formed. Cross wall formation takes place, and one bacterial cell divided into two bacterial cells. So we will discuss all these things in the next chapter. Cell, the unit of life. But now you should remember the steps in binary fission. What are the three steps? Replication of DNA, mesosomes division, and cross wall formation. So this is the asexual type of reproduction occurs in kingdom Monera. And in sometimes in unfavorable condition, asexual reproduction also occurs due to formation of endospores. Formation of endospores. Endospores, some of the bacteria like Bacillus and Pseudomonas. Bacillus and Pseudomonas, they produce thick wall and highly resistant spores. Thick wall and highly resistant spores. These thick walled highly resistant spores are called endospores. Generally one bacteria produces one endosphere, and the endosphere has different layers. The outermost layer is called exosporium, and next one is called cortex, and next finally this is called core wall. So these are the some important parts. There are also some important parts, but these are the important parts because cortex. In cortex, calcium dipicolinic acid is present. Due to presence of calcium and dipicolinic acid, endospores has anticoagulant nature. Anticoagulant nature. Anticoagulant nature of endospores due to presence of calcium dipicolinic acid in the cortex of endospores. Generally, endospores, they are meant for perennation. They are meant for perennation, not for reproduction. Not for reproduction. Perennation means they are under unfavorable conditions, they undergo inactive stage. During favorable conditions, then again they become active. Inactive stage during unfavorable conditions is called perennation. So these are the two different types of asexual reproduction in case of kingdom Monera. Next, they also show sexual type of reproduction, but true sexual reproduction absent. In true sexual reproduction, formation and fusion of gametes takes place. But here formation of gametes, fusion of gametes absent. But the important thing, transfer of genes takes place. So that is called gene recombination. So gene recombination is the kind of sexual reproduction in kingdom Monera. And gene recombination usually in kingdom Monera, members of kingdom Monera, gene recombination is of three types: transformation, conjugation, and transduction. Here in class 11 we will discuss only definitions of these three steps. In class 12 we will discuss in details in chapter genetics. What is transformation? Here the transfer of genes occurs through DNA. If the genes from one bacteria to another bacteria, if characters transferred through DNA, that is called transformation. And transformation was discovered by Griffith in mice with the help of Streptococcus pneumoniae bacteria, pneumonia causing bacteria. This is transformation, transfer of characters from one bacterial cell to another bacterial cell through DNA is called transformation. Transformation was discovered by Griffith with the help of Streptococcus pneumoniae and mice. Conjugation, transfer of characters from one bacterial cell to another bacterial cell through plasmid.